Hi, I'm Deinna. I'm here in Springville, Utah, and I'm coming to Legacy Woodworking Machinery to order my new CNC machine. Come on along and I'll show you what's going on.
Yeah, having to flex, get in there, make sure you're tilting at the right angle. Cutters faster than anything is idea.
Really? I was thinking that would be a good thing for tippers.
It still is. You can still go through a lot of parts and the accuracy it cuts it. It will just much more faster than the hard. It cuts it great and it'll go through it.
What would be good other than MDF for like tippers?
Templates? Yeah, plastics, acrylics.
Oh, really?
Use ceramic materials anyway. You need some You'll just need to, whenever you're doing any type of plastic, you don't want to melt it. You want to get your spindle speed as low as possible. So about 20,000 if you can. And you always want an up spiral cutter to clear the chip so it doesn't get gummed up down in the bottom. And you just got to experiment with the feed rates to see what it is based on the density of the material. You can't build low food. Yeah, the helical. Yeah, high helical.
Do any cutters come with the machine?
No.
Almost didn't do
I think that probably would do best for ease of mind as well as longevity of the nuts and collars. Nut collars, the nut.
Yeah, you got your spindle nut and your collet in there, that's right.
Does it seem like it appears that it's a little difficult? It's like as if they're playing it from where?
Yeah, from where it's there, the metal can start flexing. Is begging me to bring home pizza. Come on, Dad! Bring home pizza, Dad!
It didn't fall out. That's a good straight.
The keyboard and mouse.
Okay, just push it out of the way.
these are all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those going to have to go away. One of those is yours.
One of those is yours.
I don't know which one.
Placed right here on our CNC saw. So we just say, go to this length, this many, and it automatically feeds and cuts within a 5/1000th tolerance for us. Makes it really handy. So we use that guy for all of our machine shop components. And for the tubing when the parts need to be welded for the frames. Hi. The rest, such as the sheet metal, is actually the workhorse or the majority of the parts that are manufactured for our machines. And they're all done down here. 2,000 watts laser.
Sorry.
And it will cut through 1/2-inch stainless steel if we wish to do so. But the thickness we ever cut through is 1/4 inch. We've never had a need to go any thicker. So it'll come and it'll just cut out these sheets of parts that we want to, just nesting out the components. The parts come off the laser just as shown. No sanding, no grinding, no nothing. That clean. Whoa. Okay? That is not going to okay, you got more wrenches coming. Sweet. A lot of those parts will be brought over to our 50-ton press brakes. And you'll see that they will take a used to be flat piece of metal and bend it and shape it into a different form of metal, okay? Such as the Smart Tool Home Flat. A lot of those parts will either go up to Salt Lake to get powder coated individually, or if they're part of a full assembly, they'll go to be welded in our welding stations to be actual frames. And there's 3 main areas that are welded. There's your floor stands, there's your center main frames, and then there's your gantries. Those are the 3 main components that are all welded. Those will then get sent up to Salt Lake to get powder coated, and then they're loaded on the other side to be fully assembled, tested, and calibrated from that point. The gantries at work. These are our 3-axis milling centers, and they mostly machine in aluminum. That's our main material for a lot of other components. But we also do any type of plastics and sometimes even steel components in the machine shop. So we have our larger mill that has about four different vices to do multiple parts at a time. And then these other 2 smaller machines to do secondary steps or components if necessary. We also have our CNC lathe and turning centers here for metalwork to do all the shafting. So you got your head stocks, your tail stocks, the shafting couplers that connect the Z-axis to the motor. All that's done here on the lathes. So once all the parts are created on this side of the shop, everything goes to the other side to, again, be fully set up, tested, and calibrated or assembled. So let's go check that out.
Video up the tour.
I already have this recorded.
I'm Cindy. Forever now. Okay, go ahead. I'm gonna.
All right, now there are components that we don't make in-house. Now a lot of them are pertaining to the electrical components. So we order these, or we outsource these and bring them in-house. And then we do the full assembly, testing, and calibration of all the electronics. So not only do they get quality checks from the manufacturer of the parts, but then all this gets QC'd by us as well after it's fully assembled. So this is the brain of a Maverick. That entire board right there, that controls all the drivers, communications, everything for all the technology in the entire Maverick. The bigger systems that we don't have here for the Renegades, they're a little bit bigger boards, a bit more involved. Those are typically assembled right here for all these stations. Everyone is hand done. Okay? And they're based on schematics, so they're all the exact same, but everyone is hand done to make sure it is exactly how we want it to be. Okay? So after this is assembled, it has to come to an assembly stage in the machine before this actually comes in. But the frames will come in like this. Next way they come in, they'll start getting assembled as well. So we have the assembly of these 3 parts together, and eventually the turning center comes in, we start pulling all the wires, and then the communication boards get dropped in, and we finish off the assembly of all the wires and electronics. By the time we've gotten all the way done, it usually comes to this point, and the machines are ready for testing and calibration. Our tester and calibrator has a list of pages of checklists that he has to accomplish before the machines are allowed to be sent out. And if anything doesn't hit the qualification, it gets recalibrated, retested, until it is perfect. machine does not leave our facility until it hits our standards. So, once the machine is complete, it's tested, calibrated, fully assembled, they get fully crated, as you can see some over here. For those that have already received your machine, you know how much of a pain it is to get that machine out of that crate. And they do a very good job of making sure those things are secure and very wound up tight so that they arrive the way they should be. Okay?
That's what I was about to say. That's what I'm getting one.
Yeah, it looks like it. Looks like that may be a trade up. Someone probably did a trade up recently. That's what that is. That is the full cycle. Raw material through that door, all parts made, they come onto the assembly line, get tested, calibrated, and crated, and then shipped out, ready to go. We go through about 15 machines every single month right now. Oh, truck driver? You're here to pick up? Yes. We got a truck driver ready to pick up. All right, sounds good.
15 a month.
Yeah, about. Yeah, at any given time we have about 40 machines being manufactured at any given time, but the cycle is typically 15 machines out.
How many people are working here?
Between 20 and 25.
Have you started making the Renegade yet?
Yeah.
Or selling them rather?
Yes. Yeah. There, you can buy one right now.
Gotta get the whole gang here.
Oh no.
Is that Steppenwolf or
Break your phone.
I don't know. I know it has the feedback system. You can see that cable coming out the back. So it has the feedback system. Just make sure you can.
Wait.